I thank you for the hospitality and such a warm and heartfelt invitation and welcome. I also congratulate all stakeholders for making such a wonderful arrangements for this celebration. Dear Mr. Quraishi, please accept my heartfelt congratulations on the launch of your autobiography, and I thank you for sharing your story. Your journey is one that is both inspiring and deeply personal to so many of us. I vividly remember when Mr. Quraishi handed me a copy of this very book during the International Syriat Conference last month. It was a moment that resonated with me not just because of the gesture, but because it reminded me of the power of human resilience and determination. As I held the book, I couldn't help but reflect on how far Mr. Quraishi has come, from the heartland of Pakistan to being recognized by the British Empire. His journey is a testament to the heights one can achieve with dedication and perseverance. Today, we are not just launching a book, we are celebrating a lifetime of achievements. Mr. Quraishi's rise from a small region in Punjab to being honored as a member of the Order of British Empire is a story that holds great significance not only for him but for all the Pakistanis. His story reminds us that our birthplaces and backgrounds do not define our future. Our ambitions do. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most admirable aspects of Mr. Quraishi's journey is his commitment to uplifting communities both in Pakistan and abroad. In a world that often emphasizes differences, Mr. Quraishi has been a bridge fostering better community relations and understanding across cultural and national divides. His work through institutions like the Forum of International Relation Development, FIRD, and the Ash Shahada Housing Association, ASHA, has not only strengthened Pakistan's image abroad, but has also provided invaluable support to countless communities. This is something we as a nation should take immense pride in. FIRD has helped foster international dialogue, enhancing Pakistan's global standing. Meanwhile, ASHA focuses on vital housing solutions, showcasing Mr. Quraishi's dedication to improving lives.